wake up, start the day. Sun is shining, come and play. Stretch your arms up to the sky. Wave hello and say
hi, hi.
Open your eyes, get out of bed. Fluffy pillow, sleepy head. Make your bed all neat and tight. Start your morning fresh and bright. Brush your teeth up and down. Make them sparkle white and brown. Wash your face with water cool. Feel so fresh and ready for school.
Breakfast time!
Yummy breakfast on your plate. Healthy food is really great. Milk and fruits will make you strong. Eat it up and sing along.
Go to school!
Time to learn and read and write. Draw and color shine so bright. Numbers, letters, fun to see. Learning is the key to be.
Playtime!
Jump and run and laugh out loud. Play with friends and feel so proud. Slide and swing and have some fun. Playing time for everyone.
Evening time!
Sun goes down, the sky turns red. Birds fly home to rest in bed. Time to go back home and relax. Slow it down and just chill back.
Dinner time!
Dinner's ready, come and eat. Tasty food is such a treat. Sit together, laugh and share. Happy moments everywhere.
Sleep time!
Put on pajamas, soft and tight. Time to sleep and say goodnight. Close your eyes, the moon's up high. Dream sweet dreams as stars shine bright. Day is done, you did it right. From morning sun to cozy night. Sleep so well, and when you wake, a brand new day is yours to make.